Wagwan farms, welcome back to Vibe with Chelsea. So basically today I'll be doing 8 stitch cane rows to the back, and the client requested butt length, so I want you guys to stay tuned and do these stitch braids with me. So if you're new to my channel and you're liking my content so far, please do hit the subscribe button, turn your post notification bell on to be notified every time I post a video. And if you realize that you're not being notified whenever I post a video, please go to your settings and turn on notification for YouTube. And if you're already a part of the farms and getting notified, thank you for always being here with me. I really love and appreciate you guys. Now let's get straight into the video. Alright fam, so for this particular hairstyle I'll be using 2 pack of expression braids, and I will be cutting that in half. Then I start my pre-stretching. I prefer to stretch my hair by myself because it works best for me. It gives the hair more ends. I don't like working with pre-stretched braids because it just do not work for me any at all. Okay, so I am doing 8 stitch cane rows to the back, so I prefer to find the center of my client's head first, so it's easier to work with because we'll have 4 cane rows on each side. So I prefer to find the center of my client's head first. So I'm using the Ocean wax to clean up my parts, and I use the Fashion Plus wax for my edges. So I use 2 different waxes when I am working. I use the Ocean for the braiding, and I use the Fashion Plus wax that you will see later down in the video for the edges. So right here I'm going on to my first braid, and I just want you to sit and watch keenly how I get my invisible stitch braids to the back.
want to run over to vibe with Shannon T and show some love. Make them know say vibe with Chelsea sending over there. I make them know say Chelsea sending them have pranks. Them have some wonderful video over there, guys. I'll insert a screenshot right here. So please run over to their channel and subscribe. Show some love. Watch at least 2, 3, 4. Watch as many videos you can watch and leave a comment and make them know say Chelsea sending over there. Thank you guys for sticking with me. I want you guys to run over to our other channel at Freestyle JA and subscribe. Show some love, guys, because I know the girl I go over there as well. You can click the suggestion in the top right corner, or you can find the link in the description box down below. Go over to Freestyle JA and show some love, guys. We have some wonderful stuff coming for you. Things that are not going to be posted over here will be posted on the Freestyle JA channel. So please do subscribe if you don't love me. Thank you.
Basically, I am just draping my client to start my trimming. I am trimming off as much excess hair that I can get. It's good to always trim the client's braid when you're finished because it helps to show the neatness of the hair. And if you don't trim the client's hair, that would also help the braids to pull up quickly. They also can itch the client. There's so much that can happen if you don't trim the ears, so it's good to always trim the client hair. And basically I am trimming it as best as I can. Then I apply my hot water. I am going to make my edges with the Fashion Plus wax. I prefer to use the blue one. I don't know why, but I have tried the red one before, but the blue one seems to work best for me. So for everyone that keep asking what wax did I use and whatever, I use the Fashion Plus wax for the edges, and I prefer the blue one. You can also try the others, but I really do prefer the blue one, which is this one. So yeah, that's it. Comment down below and let me know what you think.
Alright fams, you have made it to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I do want you guys to do something for me. I want you guys to run over to our YouTube channel and subscribe and show some love.
Yeah guys, you can go over to Life with Shanti. We'll have a lot of pranks, a lot of stuff over there, nice content, so you can check us out.
Okay, so you can click the suggestion link in the top right corner, and their link will be in the description box down below, and I'll also insert a screenshot of their channel. So please go over their channel and let them know that Vibe with Chelsea sent you.
Yeah guys.